Double zigzag. Quite often, the retracement effected by the zigzag is insufficient to reflect the full normal retracement required by the market. In such cases, the first zigzag adds or strings another zigzag to itself. However, to add one more zigzag to itself, there needs to be an intervening wave. Otherwise, the pattern would not affect the necessary retracement. Thus, we see two zigzags in the same direction with another corrective pattern in between. This intervening corrective pattern itself is normally another zigzag. The double zigzag can also unfold upwards, and, in that case, it is inverted. The double zigzag brings out a much deeper and sharper correction in the market. Double zigzags are labeled W, X, Y. There are a few rules concerning detailed analysis of these patterns individually, and we shall be able to appreciate them once we have knowledge of all the various patterns. For now, it will suffice to know that a double zigzag is two zigzags strung together by an intervening three-wave pattern.